Dozens of people have been killed in clashes in Brazil as police carry out raids to crack down on criminal gangs and drug traffickers. At least 44 people have reportedly died in total after violent scenes in the city of Rio de Janeiro, Sao Paulo state, and Bahia state. This marks the latest incident in a wave of lethal policing in Brazil. In a statement, Rio's police said suspected criminals in Villa Cruzeiro favela shot first, wounding the officers and prompting police to return fire. 9 people hit by bullets were taken to a state hospital where they were declared dead, according to the statement, which said intelligence work had uncovered a meeting in Villa Cruzeiro among crime leaders who control the region. Villa Cruzeiro has been the site of bloodshed during police operations in the past. A firefight resulted in more than 20 deaths in May 2022, just months after another raid saw 8 people killed. Police raids are a persistent source of controversy in Brazil, where pro-law enforcement politicians defend the operations as a necessary part of the fight against criminal groups. Critics, meanwhile, allege that police kill indiscriminately in poor neighborhoods, collaborate with paramilitary groups, and take part in criminal activity themselves. The Rio de Janeiro state government's strategy for tackling violence and organized crime has come under criticism in recent years, particularly given there is little insight into officers' choice to dispense lethal force. The practice isn't limited to Rio. The raid Wednesday morning came as the Public Security Secretariat in neighboring Sao Paulo state raised the death toll from a police operation there the previous day to 16 from 14. The prior figure had already meant the raid in the coastal city of Guarujá was the state's deadliest since 2006, according to news websites. Outcry over the unbridled lethality of policing in Brazil's favelas has led to the adoption of police body cameras in certain states, notably Sao Paulo. The cameras have been widely credited with reducing police violence there. Killing by active duty officers in Sao Paulo fell to 256 in 2022, down 61% from 2020, the last full year before the widespread rollout of the cameras.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.